Hindi naman kasi nanggaling sa gobyerno eh. Ang gusto naming compensation ay yung manggagaling sa gobyerno ng Hapon. At ayaw namin yung manggagaling sa mga private na mamamayan.
We are going to renew our campaign to press for legal compensation from the Japanese government by declaring that the war is not over because the survivors have not achieved justice.
To those who suffered, the government of Japan
I am very happy not to receive this letter of apology from Prime Minister Hashimoto. Thank you.
Tanasya po.
Wala.